How to download Adobe After Effects on PC. First thing you're going to have to do is open up any web browser you have and then simply search for Adobe After Effects and then hit enter. Now from here you can just scroll down until you find the official Adobe website, Adobe Creative Cloud. You're going to go ahead and open it up. And once you've done that, you just need to head over to the Creative Cloud and student discounts. Here you can see the option free trial or buy now. So if you want to start a free trial, you can click on it. Here you're going to have to log in using your email. So here is an individual plan, business plan, student, and teacher. So this is the most valuable one where you can save up to 66%. Now click on add a 7-day free trial on Adobe Stock to get 10 standard assets as well. Click on continue. Now once you have done that, what you need to do next is check out. For that you need to enter your email address. And once you have entered your email address, you need to click on continue. Now on the next step, you're going to have to add your payment details. Here you're going to have to enter your password. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue with my Google account. And once your free trial starts, you can cancel anytime you want so that you won't be getting billed or you won't get charged. So here choose a payment method, just add anything. You could add PayPal or your credit or debit card. Enter your card number, your card information, your name, last name, zip code, country, region, and then your phone number, which is optional. Click on agree and subscribe, and you can easily start using all of the features on Creative Cloud, which will also include the After Effects. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you next time.